Hi everyone, it's Agnieszka Murdoch. Welcome to English with Aga. This video is about either, or, neither, nor, to, and both. At the end, we will have a practice exercise as well, so make sure you keep watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and get your free English grammar booklet from the link in the video description. So, let's get started. Give me either the apple or the orange. You gave me neither the apple nor the orange. What's the difference between them? Either or is a choice. You can choose one, just one. Give me either the apple or the orange. So I can only choose one, the apple or the orange. Neither nor means nothing. You gave me neither the apple nor the orange. It means you didn't give me the apple and you didn't give me the orange. So you didn't give me anything. Nothing at all. Either and neither have another meaning as well. I like apples. Me too. That means I also like apples. So me too is for agreeing with a positive statement. I like apples is a positive statement. So to agree with it, we use me too. I don't like apples. Me neither. I also don't like apples. So me neither is for agreeing with a negative statement. I don't like apples. That's a negative statement. So, to agree with it, we need me neither. But there is another way to say me too and me neither. I like apples. So do I. I also like apples. It's the same as me too. I liked this apple. So did I. Again, it's the same as me too. I liked this apple. So did I. You can see, so do I is for the present simple. I like apples. So do I. So did I is for the past simple. I liked this apple. So did I. So you need to change the form depending on what tense it is. I don't like apples. Neither do I. It means the same as me neither. Neither do I. I didn't like this apple. Neither did I. Again, it changes when the tense changes. Neither do I. Neither did I. Now, the difference between neither and either. I don't like apples. Me neither. But there is another way to say me neither. You can say I don't like apples either. I don't like apples either. It's the same as saying me neither. And finally, both. Do you like apples or oranges? I like both. I like apples and I like oranges. I like both of them. Now it's time for a practice exercise. Should it be either, neither, or, nor, to, both, or so? You tell me. I don't like winter. Me. What should it be? Me neither. I also don't like winter. Me neither. I like this cake. So, I. What's the answer? So do I. I like this cake. So do I. I like apples and oranges. What's the answer? both. I like both apples and oranges. It means I like them all. I like apples and oranges. I don't like pears. I don't like pears. What's the answer? I don't like pears either. It means I also don't like pears. How many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and get your free English grammar booklet from the link in the video description. And I'll see you next time. Bye!